Hi guys, Muni back here with another video. Today we are gonna take a look at the official unboxing of the new Galaxy Z Fold2, aka the Fold2. But before we move on to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and make sure you hit that bell button so you are not gonna miss any future videos. So here we have the big box of the Z Fold2. We have a big Z on the box, and down we have the Z Fold2 5G logo. After we take out the first layer, we have the butterfly on the box, which was present on the first generation of Fold as well as a wallpaper. When we open the special box, we have a quick note: change the shape of the future. Untroducing Galaxy Z Fold2 5G. Reimagine the possibilities of the smartphone experience, unlock endless versatility and enjoy unrivaled engineering and craftsmanship. Welcome to the new mobile era. Next we have the box with the paperwork, and under it we have the phone. In the paperwork box we have the quick start guide and the SIM ejector pin. Next we have the charging brick, the AKG tuned headphones along with the interchangeable ear tips and the USB-C to USB-C cable. Here we have the beautiful Z Fold2 with a plastic wrap which contains warning notes. Now the little 4.6 cover screen got way bigger to a 6.2-inch cover display. This is a proper display which you can use, and it has just a little punch-out hole with almost zero bezels. When we open the Fold, we have the main screen, which now is a 7.6 diagonal display with no more notch. We have here as well a little punch hole, and that's all. A way more immersive experience. On the cover display part, we have a 10 megapixel selfie camera and the same camera we have when we open up the phone. Things change when we look at the rear cameras. We have the same arrangement as on the Note 20 Ultra, but different cameras. We have a 12 megapixel ultra wide, a 12 megapixel main camera and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera. The battery of the new Fold2 is a 4500 mAh. So that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye!